Want to add some realistic strummed or picked acoustic nylon guitar to your tracks, even if you're not a guitarist? Well, check out Ujam's Silk 2, their brand new plugin, or updated plugin, I should say, for a strummed and picked acoustic guitar. The next generation acoustic nylon guitar, Silk 2, beautifully captures the essence of nylon string guitars with its completely new guitar model, a large collection of phrases, a wide variety of chords, octaves, riffs. Makes Silk 2 perfect for crafting elegant pop, rock, or rock songs and adding an intimate touch to just about any genre. Now, before I dive into this plugin, I just want to let you know you can actually try this out for free for 30 days. Just go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/silk and you can download this plugin, try it out for 30 days with no limitations and see how you like it and see if it fits into your music production flow. But if you do decide to purchase this, just be sure to put in my code OAA-20 at checkout so you can get 20% off. All right, let's hear how this sounds. And I got a couple different instances here for this track. We've got some strummed and picked. Pretty cool. It sounds really nice. Let's look at the controls here. Right, so here is the interface here. So you can have the blend of how it sounds, right? If you want more of the body or the neck sound. So you can hear the neck's a lot brighter, the body is more fuller and deeper. And there's different character settings here, so you can quickly dial in your sound if you want a more real guitar sound, a gentle, soft, or a strong sound. So we'll hear how these sound. All right, so kind of if you're wanting more of a pop style upbeat song, you kind of go up here. If you want more of a ballady, you kind of go down here. I kind of like the gentle sound for this song. You can add how much variance is in the performance. So you can hear there's some harder strums in there and some softer picks in there. So it's kind of probably good like right here. And then we can also control the mix here and how much air is present. So if we want to be really dark, you can turn down the air. And we can go subtle with the mix. Again, depending on what style of music you're going, you can really control here. Also the width here, so if you want to be like really wide, so it's like almost like a double tracked, we can do that, or we can have it be more narrow. So it's very centered. Really nice. Got some presence here with focus. And then we have different controls here. So there's a stomp box here. So there's a warm delay. We can control how much of that is present. But you can see there's all these different controls in here. So we got tape, phaser, octaves, filters, and so on. And we also got different effects here. So we can add some like a compressor here, chorus, mandolins. That sounds interesting. What would that sound like? Interesting, turn it into a bass. So that's really cool. And then of course these can all be automated, so that can create really cool effects. So maybe you open your song with this radio effect. And then you automate it down so it's full. And you can hear what these different effects do too. That's kind of cool. Lo-fi. That's really cool. Old tape. So, as you can see, you can really dial in your sound, or you can completely turn these off if you want to use your own effects, right? And of course, there's a lot of different play styles you can do here as well. So this is like kind of one play style. So that's pretty cool. And then there's, right, these, what style phrases are in here all change based on your presets, right, and your style. So we can change the style to be something else and we get a different set. Really nice. And it sounds really good. It sounds like a real guitar, which is really cool. And so if you go to keyboard here, this kind of tells you more what's going on behind the scenes. So you get these different style phrases, but you can also just do something very simple. For example, just hit like half note muted right here. So if we hit down here. Quarter note open. All right, and this can all be controlled over time, right? In your MIDI data, you can draw in these different notes, and so you can have it be open, then you can have it be quarter note, and you can change it over time so it sounds like a real dynamic guitar performance. Some others, like a long chord here with a fill, which is really cool. Got a slide. Slide down. Build up. Back to the style phrases here. All right, if you want to do picking, or you can turn it off of chord style to just note style. Of course, I have a bunch of notes here in this MIDI. So if we look at my plucked data here, so here we're using just note mode, and it's just playing the notes I have here. Got some mystic delays on here. Pretty awesome. So let's just hear some different presets in here so we can go pop if we wanted to. 12 string guitars, those are really prevalent in like the 70s and 80s, I'm pretty sure. It's kind of cool. C-A-M-P-F-A-R-E-S-O-N-G song. C-A-M-P-F-A-R-E-S-O-N-G song. If you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it helps if you just sing along. Bum, bum, bum. We got dance in here too. If you wanted to add an organic feel to your electronic music, that works too. We got some alternative and rock. That's pretty cool. You can also have it turn into a pad. Pretty cool. That's really cool. So that is Silk. This is really awesome. By the way, if you decide you want to grab this plugin, do not get it unless you click my link in the description below and put in my code OAA-20 at checkout, because that will get you 20% off your order of Silk 2 or any Ujam plugins. So if you want to save your money, then be sure to use my code OAA-20 at checkout. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about Silk 2? Is this something that you could see yourself using in your productions? I know I'll surely be using this. I'm actually already working on creating an acoustic version of one of my songs using this tool. And speaking of productions, I have a free gift for you. It's my mixing checklist. Be sure to grab that in the description below, or go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/mixing checklist. And this will walk you through a proven step-by-step system for mixing and producing your songs from home, so you can get radio-ready tracks from the comfort of your home really quickly and easily, so you can finish more music faster and get more music out there into the world. Again, this is completely free. Grab it in the description below. And if you want to check out another awesome guitar plugin like this, but for electric guitar, then check out my video on the screen right now. With that, have an awesome day, keep creating, and I'll see you in a future video.